Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Stories. Today, let's learn English with a simple story. Michael was 30 years old, but he felt much older. Every morning he woke up with the same feeling: tired, empty, unmotivated. He worked at a small factory outside the city. The job was stable, but it was not exciting. He stood for many hours, doing the same task again and again. Michael often looked at the clock. He waited for the day to end. When he came home, he ate dinner alone. Then he lay on the sofa and watched videos on his phone. Hours passed quickly. Before sleeping, Michael always thought the same thing: tomorrow I will start changing my life. But tomorrow always looked the same. Michael had dreams. He wanted to learn English. He wanted a better job. He wanted to feel proud when he looked at himself. But every dream felt too big. "I don't have enough time," he told himself. "I am too tired. I will start next week." Weeks passed. Months passed. One morning, Michael stood in front of the mirror. He looked at his face for a long time. His eyes looked tired. His shoulders were heavy. "Is this all my life?" he asked quietly. That question stayed in his mind all day. That evening, Michael met his old friend Daniel. They had not seen each other for many years. They sat in a small cafe near the street. Daniel looked different. He looked confident and calm. "You look happy," Michael said. "What changed?" Daniel smiled. "I changed my habits," he said. Michael laughed softly. "That sounds hard." Daniel shook his head. "No," he said. "I started very small." Michael leaned forward. "What do you mean?" Daniel took a sip of coffee. "I didn't try to change my whole life," he said. "I only took the first step." Michael looked confused. "I woke up 20 minutes earlier," Daniel continued. "I read one page of a book. That's all." Michael laughed again. "That's nothing." Daniel smiled. "Yes, but I did it every day." That night, Michael could not sleep well. He thought about Daniel's words. The first step. Maybe he did not need a big plan. Maybe he did not need motivation. Maybe he only needed one small action. The next morning, Michael woke up 15 minutes earlier. He felt sleepy. His body wanted to stay in bed, but he stood up. He opened his phone and searched for a short English video. He watched for 5 minutes. "That's enough," he said. The next day, he did the same. Then the next day. Michael did not feel pressure. He did not feel stress. He only felt progress. After 1 week, he watched 10 minutes. After 2 weeks, he learned new words. He started feeling proud. Michael understood something important. Big dreams do not start with big actions. They start with small steps. And the first step always matters. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.